Hello everyone, good afternoon. I hope you are all in good health. I would like to share two important concepts with you. These are the widely talked and acknowledged during the COVID-19 pandemic, and these are CDGR and doubling days. Actually, they are originally concepts being used in the finance department, or they were rarely used in the uh, public health, but during COVID-19 pandemic they have been talk of the town, so we have to learn how to calculate CDGR and doubling days. So first I would like to talk about CDGR, and then we will talk about how to calculate the doubling days. So for calculating CDGR, what we actually require, so we require uh, date-wise cumulative cases. For example, here I have shown the cumulative cases of Gujarat of COVID-19. So if we are looking at the formula of CDGR, here we can see that the C9, that is the 8th day cases, and that is divided by C2, that is the actually first day cases. Means 8 observations are taken into consideration. So 8th day cumulative cases will be divided by first day cumulative cases, and that value or that number raised to power of 1 by 7, and that value will be taken here, and that minus 1 and multiply by 100. So thus that gives us CDGR. So that is the formula. So actually what is concept here is CDGR generally we can calculate for 7 days. CDGR, it's compounded daily growth rate, and that can be calculated based on the historical trend of cases for last 7 days, or can be calculated for 14 days. But as of now, and it has been used mostly for the 7 days, so we have calculated for the 7 days, but we have taken into consideration the 8 values, 8 day cases divided by first day cases, and that's why we are taking here minus 1. So actually we are taking into consideration the 7 days cases. So what does it mean 36.87? So this is percentage. By this much of percentage the cases will increase in the coming days. So to understand better the CDGR, we have to understand what is the concept of doubling days. So if we look at the doubling days formula, so that is the formula is 7 multiplied by natural logarithm of 2. 2 is here because of the doubling days we are calculating, and that value will be divided by the natural logarithm of product of C9, that is 8th day cases, that is 45, divided by C3, that is actually second day cases. So what is the message we are trying to convey here? Here we are taking into consideration the 7 values rather than the 8 values which we took in the CDGR. So it is actually a 7 values we are taking into consideration. So there is no minus 1 here. So actually today's cases divided by past 7 days cases, and that will give us doubling days. So here we can see that the doubling days of 2.6, it means these 45 cases will take 2.6 days to become 90 cases. So this is the doubling days. So this is the scientific formula we have, but another crude formula that we used in finance, that is 72 rules. 72 is like the number of days or months or years that would be taken to double the cases or double the money. So that is the concept which we can use here also. 72 divided by CDGR, so that is the 36. So 72 divided by 36 will give us 1.9. So it is very nearly we can say that they are the both are the same, but this much difference is accepted when we are in a hurry to calculation, but this is the more scientific method 2.61, and this is the crude method. So it's up to you, because it has been seen that most of the national health portal and all those people are using these methods, while the newspapers and all the medias are using the 72 rules. So it's up to you which one would like to prefer. But I hope these two formulas will help you to analyze your data in the coming days, because COVID-19 is going to there for in even couple of months. So I hope this video will make a clarification regarding the CDGR calculation and doubling days. Thanks. Have a nice day.